Yo, what's up? Sorry for the delay. All right, so let's go ahead share screen. Oh, okay. Do I have a link for it? Let's see. Let's go YouTube. Just want to make sure that people can see it, you know? So let's go ahead, share, copy. I was having some technical difficulties, but in the meantime, I got this trade, mid-range trade, short. That thing is juicing down. At the time of the entry, there were more orders long, no order short. So I guess 644 would have been a good level. That got taken off, pushed lower. So says opportunity to get lower. Let's go ahead and put that in our Discord. Okay. That's that. Took this mid-range trade. Hopefully you don't hear the clicky and clanking of the keyboard. So same as before, same as yesterday, I have my iPad looking at MNQ. Oh, it's charging. iPad looking at MNQ here on my left. And then MES is on screen that you can see. Just for financial juice, no news. Well, first Forex. So unemployment claims came at 330. Doesn't affect me at the moment. This is the went to financial juice to find out the actual data. So it came in a little less. It came in more. The forecast was less. So that could be why the market's getting pulled down. You know, not really great news to hear, I guess. But we made money short. Here's the live account. Made 416 on this trade. I went 30 contracts. So it's a nice move here. Copy. We're gonna put that in our trades MES short. So close that. Close that. One more time. Also, I did get in a little late here. Got in like at this candle, at the bottom of this candle. So I wonder if my actual positions show market. Oh, here we go. 65 to 62. There's a quick scalp actually. Okay, how do I bring this down? 62. No, it was a little more than that. Oh yeah, actually 65, 62. Cool. All right. Yep, so that's that. MQ, MES. Of course, I always wish I wish I held longer. But again, at the time, MQ or MES had orders all above it. It was only like a little bit. Yeah, it was like this. It looked exactly like that. CVD was also bullish, not bearish at the time. So, yeah, that's what it is. Nice orders. All the way 68.33. Could be going down there. Yeah. So 68. Still bearish. A lot of algos at 25.40, but yeah, 25.400 there. Yeah, a lot of orders there. So now what I'm doing is waiting for a pullback. Once we get that pullback, it'll be nice to get long. So 25.400 was the big one. Oh wow, that's a lot of shorts, bro. 25.4 right here. 398 right there. Yeah, so it looks like it could go. I think, but I'm not chasing. There it go to hit these. Man, these levels are just getting squashed. Cranked them. These again, these are probably just stop orders. A lot more sellers. Let's go MES. Got MEQ on my iPad. MES. All right. Did I take a screenshot? No. Still waiting to get into a position on my funding accounts, but always better to take them on my live account. So I'm cool with that. Yo, what is going on? Oh, Applebee. Okay, cool. So that's the first trade of the day. Let's go ahead and clear the charts. Now we wait. So boom, put it there. MES, MNQ. Orders are about to fill right there. So question like I thought of is, okay, if I know or if I see orders, you never know in the market. But if you see orders down here and you're like, hey, why not just take it short, scalp it? Because that could be the bottom. I mean, look at the orders here. Look at all of that. That could be a bottom. Could be going up now. Now then it's an unnecessary loss, which is why it's important. Look, you got cumulative volume data now bullish. What's that? Yes, still pretty bearish. Could be going back down to the 40s. Let's look at MES on my other chart. I'm not even playing music. I got my headphones on. Need some music, yo. Let's go. Heck. So, bearish day. Just looking for an opportunity to get short, guys. That's all I'm doing. Multiple areas, I guess, or levels you could choose to put your anchored VWAP. So here's the anchored VWAP indicator. It's not even an indicator. I don't think it's a volume-based tool. You know, it's not an indicator. So another way is to draw it. Another way to draw it is whenever it breaks below the VWAP. So it's very similar, but I haven't back tested that. I just like it when it breaks out of the range, and that's a good break. How's the higher time frames? Ooh, look at that 50 minutes. 50 minutes gone, boy. It's gonna probably hit the 30s. Is there any? Nothing at 30. Oh, there you go. Starting to fill now. 34 is probably gonna get hit. That's up there anyway. So yeah, nice, very nice. So these are our levels. Let's go ahead and just mark it. Levels are lines in the sand. So it's not like it's going to hit. Doesn't have to be perfect to the T, to the number. It's just like a resemblance of like where it could be going. And I always like to make it a little higher or lower than the actual quote unquote target level, because more times than not, I've seen price go to the level, reject it just above the level you want it to go to, like something like this. It goes down, stops right here, and just completely rejects. That's could happen, but in this case, this level is actually higher than the most standout point, which is 68.18. So I like to make it a little higher, Go 5 minutes, make it high. Even from here to here, you get this move. Still 12 points. How big was the New York Open? 13 points. So again, you take that here. It's 12 points. Like that's pretty much New York's Open. But I want to see a pullback. So pullback here, go down. That is that. And we'll put in the trade floor. Short. There you go. Beautiful play. Easy. Love it when they come easy. Oh, here are the statistics. So I'll rate that one, but here are the edges that I look for. Took a squeeze yesterday, day or two ago. You're not having too much success with that one on real live account. Backtesting, it worked out pretty well. All those strategies are red. I know it makes it's a pullback. It's a reversal play for the squeezes. And a squeeze, I'll show you what a squeeze is. But first, I want to just go over the strategies that I took. So mid-range is what I took, 74% strike rate. It's the highest strike rate that I have actively. More often than not, though, I see the back into range play. So I'm trading this a lot more than my mid-range trade. They're pretty close together. Oh. Okay. Here we go. So let's just go back to the charts real quick. MES kind of showing a hand here. So this would be like a mid-range trade, pull back like that. Still a lot of orders below us. So, I mean, this would be pretty much a gamble, right? There's a lot of orders above us. It could go up to here, but specifically with my edge, a squeeze is something like this. Breaks above the handoff, pulls back down, kind of like teeters here. Maybe breaks it once, maybe breaks it twice. But usually on the second to third time, depending on our price action, I'll take it here. Target is the New York VWAP for a quick in and out. That provides another opportunity to go short if it goes down, or a back into range play later on in the day. So those are options that we could see happening, or that I see happening. And that is a squeeze play. This might work. It's 2 minutes. Nice bullish. Nice. But is it? 68.47. Yeah. I mean, this is a good attempt to go long. I just don't like it. That's funny. Speaking of squeezes, it's like a squeeze is presenting. This is what I would, excuse me, what I'd like to see here. Squeeze. I mean, it is far away, right? But you'll have this 2-minute close here. MES is going already. How's MNQ's orders? MNQ's already bullish. It wants to go to 25.11. We have orders up there. It's one algo though, so like 2,500. I'll take this. We'll go long here. We'll go long one. What? No, turn off the groups, bro. Just fucking buy. Make sure 22 positions are open. All right, cool. And then we'll go long. We'll go long. 3? No, I'm not risking 3, bro. So I got in a little late. This is a squeeze play. Showing nice price action. That's why I can't say no to that. Orders 25.10. Let's make sure that there are orders there so I could scalp this quickly. Yeah. So 2500s all the way to 25.10. Looks like 12 is big, and that's where the VWAP is. Yeah. Well, that's my target is. That's a lot of algos. So I might have to squeeze this one out quicker. MES is about to hit. That's funny. We were just talking about the squeeze, and here we go. Presented right in front of us as we were talking about it. Manifest. 45 across 22 accounts. There we go. I'll take it. Don't want to be greedy. I'll take it. 50. Doesn't need to be perfect. Squeezed right here. Beautiful. And that's a reversal play right there. So let's see what it wants to do. So like I said, these orders, right? We were talking about these orders. Look at price, or the orders kind of just leveling out. 68.39. These orders leveling out. I was talking about the 35 levels. Boom. Doesn't reach that. The orders are already leveling out before price action actually even does. So now the question is, do we get an opportunity to go long here, back into range, hit these levels, or do we get another fall back down and go lower? Might be getting it back into range play here. I want to wait for M and Q to really establish that though. This song slaps. Towards the Light by Jocko. Yeah. Dude. All right. Copy link. MQ squeeze long. Boom. Nice win on trades, the trade copier. gonna wait just a wee bit before making a decision. Leave the hand off there. Yeah, this looks good. Let's see the orders though. Little and bullish, more bullish buy orders than there are bearish orders. 68.65 looks like the next level. This looks good. 2 minutes, but I've been bearish all morning. Why am I going to go against the trend? Could just be creating a lower high, lower low within the last day, you know? So I want to be cautious about going long at the moment. Just want to wait for price action to establish itself. Looks like a nice back into range play though. Might be too late to get in the trade if MES is bullish. MES is bullish here. Q is bullish. So more room to go. It hasn't Q hasn't gone back into range. I'm going to take that. Take the smaller positioning here. Lower my positioning. Yeah, that's too much for me. Q probably a nice trade too. Now we have a lot of buy orders coming through. Yeah, I'm gonna go along here, back into range play. I don't need to target a lot. MES, I don't even want to force MES either. I mean, my top one. These are riskier moves here for me. Trend's bearish already. It's been established. Yeah. That's 6 for now. Back into range play. Target the levels 68.72 for ES. Cool. There are orders. They're higher orders 68.80. So this looks like it may want to reach that level of 68.74. Yeah, there's nothing in between there. That's why until 68.80, and that is 124. Cumulative volume data is bullish. I'm leaving that. Leaving it. Q actually has more bullish orders. Yeah. Let's see what it wants to do. Solid block orders 25.50. Gotta squeeze. And it's 2 minutes. Sheesh, just a straight pullback. That's usually a good sign. Haven't even reached the first hour of the day yet. Price is already like back to where the market started. Let's see, it started at 68.68 or 86.68, sorry. So it hit that level, hit the opening. It's 86.62. Yeah, that's a good stop level. Beyond that level, golly, we have a massive short orders there. Here we go. We're gonna take this loss. Looks solid. Better entry if you want to get in long there. Those levels. We'll see what it wants to do though. It's already above the handoff, the New York, yesterday's VWAP. It's a good stop at 3 levels and the low day range. Good levels. I like that rejection there. Yeah. Okay, so buy orders have been taken off of ES. Still strong levels at 68.80. I think we'll probably get there. Just remaining patient on that. Strong orders above us on M and Q as well. So it's bullish. Both indices are bullish. Just kind of just wait and see, wait and relax. There's a push. Once it hits this level, I'm just gonna manually close out 3. So I'm gonna sell 3 if and when it reaches that level. If it reaches this level. 605. 605. Let's see where 605 is at. Oh, it's pretty up. So 96 is where the orders would be at. Oh, yeah, so there's a lot of orders going to be at 96. Okay. Good to know. First hour looks bearish. Now this second half of the hour looks bullish. It's only 5:20. We're up on the day. Like, there's no need to force shit. Kind of feel like I'm forcing shit. But at the same time, I mean, the opportunity is there. And there'll be days like this where the market just gives or takes. Could totally reverse. Always want to have that counterbalance of thinking. Leave a little bit more room for that. Although I have a take profit, I usually close the trade before it hits it. Not because I'm impatient, because I look at the orders. And when I do, like this is 596 here. Look at the levels here. So I might want to take 3 if it shows a bearish rejection here, you know? Probably leaving me to a lot of, see like this, I'll take it. Yeah. Take 4 off. Boom. Adjust stop. Remove the take profit. Right there. There's like no orders below, which is a good thing. 6, 7. Yeah, we'll leave it there. So I'll update the notes here. Took 3 off at this level here. SMQ. SMQ's got a way to go. Just this. I think it'll hit overnight VWAP. Which is probably a key level where orders are 25,626. 626. Oh, 826? 625. Whoa. What? What? 6. Oh, hello. Looking at ES, man. All right. 6-2. Yeah, it's right there. So this level, these block orders right here, this is where the yesterday's view up is at. So close 3. Take 3 right there. Let's see what else the market wants to give us. If anything at all. Move the take profit. Yes. Make sure there's only one. There you go. MES has broken out of the range on the top side. So now we got a handoff down here. That one's good. We are looking at handoff trade. Let's go long. I mean, we still got time here. It's 5:23. Not even the first hour has set in the market. Wide range of opportunities here. Short, mid-range short. No handoff opportunity. Pull back, squeeze. Back to the New York view up. Back handoff. Today's pretty beautiful price action for my edge. Go 120. So even this, if this pulls back, still end the day within the $900 range. So nice day. There she goes. There she goes. I'm just keeping it tight. 582. Yeah, nothing yet. 582 yet. No. So my stop loss is like down here. As far as orders go. This thing will just be going. All right, so we got a MES. Entered a little late here, but it worked out. Minimize. M and Q back into range. Still plenty buy orders on M and Q and ES. Now it's just one entity, lots of buy orders or take profits there. Now we must move in 7.6 on ES. So yeah, basically top of range. I'll move my stop. Let's see what it wants to do. High range. It is approaching that level. 628 on NQ. That's the orders right there. That's on nothing above it really. So that might be the take profit right there. Yeah. I'll take this one. Just because it's approaching yesterday's new view. I bet it'll probably cut through. With this much bullish momentum, I don't see it not cutting through, honestly. We got an MES, so it's we'll have $1,000 day today. Nice. And yes, we're just gonna let this guy go. Keep it tight at the high range. And that's pretty much it. I mean, the day is set. We are profitable, only $55 on the. I am down, so I'm taking this really slow. I'm not as aggressive as I am on my personal account. So let me took the rest off here. There we go. Save. We're back to break even now. Wow, still down 5. See, is there any levels with ES? Still got that block order. 889. Let's see here. Oh yeah, it's not that far above us. I'll take it. Full close everything. 182. 1082 on the day. Cool. So yeah. Oh, where did TradeZilla go? There she is. Save. Let's label these. So MES first short was mid-range. Q was a squeeze. Q was a back into range. And back into range as well. Nice day, all green. Cool. All right. That's that. 5:30, first hour of the day, up $1,000. Pretty solid day. Still down nearly 700 though. There we go. Good win. Good wins on the day. The hardest part about trading is stopping. I had such a good day. I don't want to give it any more profit back, so just gonna call it. Sharing screen. All right, cool. So nice day today. Took pretty much all of my edges except the handoff and the bounce, and that's basically off of the secondary handoff or the secondary VWAP. Other than that, I don't want to give back anything. I'll be monitoring the markets for the next few minutes. Probably take a walk actually. It was a very successful day. Beautiful opportunities on the market. Manage risk well. Other than that, I hope this provided some value for you guys. Thanks for watching.